Gonna get a little noisy. Alright, let's do a walking tour here of this very dusty Aerostar that's been sitting for, I think, the last 17 years, roughly right where it's been, other than being pulled out for some hanger repairs at one point. 290 horsepower engines. The props actually look in really good condition. Put those plugs in there a little while ago. It's been sitting unplugged. Very, very dirty. Can't wait to get my power washer on this baby. Got some air in the tires. It's holding the air. I'm definitely gonna buy new ones. Got a little droop in the hydraulics there, but that should be fine once you cycle that a couple times. The paint, other than specific spots, leading edges and so forth, is in really good condition, minus dirtiness. And that said, once this is in good flying shape, this paint will be replaced with something very cool. For a plane that's been sitting for 16 years or 17 years, it's in remarkably good condition. And if those engines don't have any rust in them, I think it's going to be flying without too much trouble. Taking a look at the cockpit of the Aerostar for the first time. Original 1979. When I'm done with this, you're gonna think this thing was built last year.